Hello, this is Sydney from Au Fil du Tricot, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to realize the garter tab cast on and how to close the climbing vine bandana. I'm using the opportunity of knitting the bandana climbing vine for the Lys Atelier Pénélope in the Feeling Good yarn from Wool & the Gang, color Rocky Grey, to show you how to work the garter stitch cast on. That cast on is a really good way to begin a work, since the cast on gets almost invisible once the project is finished. So, for the bandana, I need to begin with casting on 2 stitches. That's the first one, here the second one. Then I'm going to knit to work in garter stitch 14 rows. I'm going to knit all the stitches for 14 rows. Because sometimes you may need to work more stitches or more rows, a good way to know if you have worked the right amount of rows is, of course, to count. Okay? So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I'm missing row 14, and here we go. I'm not going to turn my work to work another row. I'm going to rotate my work in order to have access to all the bumps that I have here that were created by the garter stitch knitting. I should have 7 bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to pick all of those bumps and I'm going to knit them. That's 1. Here I have number 2, then I have number 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, the number 7. Once I'm here, I'm once again going to rotate my work so my cast on stitches are next to the last work stitch, and I'm going to pick up the 2 stitches I have casted on. There's one here and the other one is hiding here, and I'm going to knit those 2 stitches. With the right yarn. That's 1 and 2, and here I should have 11 stitches. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 stitches. In short, to do the garter cast on, you need to cast on the right amount of stitches, knit in garter stitch the right amount of row. Once you are at the last row, you turn your work to a 90 degrees. You pick up and knit the stitches into each bump created by the garter ridges. You knit the stitches and then you turn again one more time your work in order to have access to the cast on stitches. You pick up the cast on stitches and you knit those stitches. And here you have your garter stitch cast on. I have finished the 7 repeats of the climbing vine. This is the first one used for the prep, and then I have the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 repeats of the climbing vine. I'm at the point where I want to bind off the stitches that I have here in order to close that side and come back and pick up the stitches that I have here. I'm not going to bind off the first stitch and the last one because I'm going to use those stitches to close the bandana in the round and pick up the stitches here to work the caul up. What I'm going to do is to knit the first 2 stitches, knit the third one, and bind off the second stitch over the third one. And now I'm going to bind off all the stitches. I'm almost done binding off my stitches and I want to keep the last 2. Those 2 stitches are the last one I just worked, and I'm going to put them back on the left needle. I'm taking the last. Now that I'm like this, I want to cross. I want to put that stitch on the right needle and that stitch on the left needle. I don't want to decrease the stitch count, I just want to cross these 2 stitches so I close my work in the round. I put my work on the right side and I'm ready to purl the stitches and to pick up the stitches on every ridge that I see here. Pick up, purl stitch, pick up, purl stitch. I'm going to pick up and purl every ridge that I see to go back to the beginning of the round, and then after the last 2 stitches I will place a beginning of the round marker, and that's it. And once you have done that, you can work in the round, you can purl all the stitches in the round until you used all the yarn or you're happy with the height that you have. That's it, that's all I have to show you today. I hope you liked that video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in a comment below. To subscribe, it's here, and to see other video, you can click here. See you soon, bye bye.